In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Taobao with Alipay. By the end, your Taobao account will be linked to Alipay, so you can check out quickly and securely. Start by opening your browser and going to the Taobao login page. Sign in using the method you prefer, password, SMS code, or by scanning a QR code with the mobile app. If the interface isn't in your language, you can use your browser's translate feature or rely on the familiar layout and icons. The steps are the same. Once you're in, hover over your profile or account avatar near the top of the page. From the menu that appears, choose Account Management or Account and Security. The wording can vary slightly, and the menu might be at the top left or top right, but you're looking for the main account settings area. Inside your account settings, look for the section related to Alipay. It may be labeled Bind Alipay or Alipay Account Management. Click that option to begin linking your accounts. If you don't immediately see it, check under Security or Payment-related tabs within the settings. On the binding page, select your country code from the drop-down and enter the phone number associated with your Alipay account. Be sure to type it without deleting 0 if your local format uses one. It's important that this number matches what's registered in your Alipay. Otherwise, the verification message won't reach you. Next, complete the slider verification by dragging the puzzle piece into place. This confirms you're a real person. If it fails or doesn't load, refresh the page and try again. Alipay will send a 6-digit SMS code to the number you provided. Enter that code on the Taobao page promptly, because these codes usually expire after a short time. Keep the page open while you wait, and if the message doesn't arrive, use the resend option once the timer allows it. A pop-up will then ask you to authorize Taobao to connect to your Alipay account. Click Agree, Confirm, or Authorize to approve. This permission allows Taobao to use Alipay for your payments and helps streamline the checkout process. You can manage or revoke this connection later from your account settings if needed. After authorization, you'll see confirmation that Alipay is bound to your Taobao account. From here on, payments are faster, and you may be automatically recognized at checkout. When you place an order, choose Alipay, and you'll be ready to pay without re-entering details each time. That's it. Log in, open account settings, bind Alipay, verify by SMS, authorize, and you're done. Enjoy smoother, quicker payments on Taobao.